It's Sunday, the 17th of January 2016. This is a chart update for Saracen Minerals. Saracen's a gold stock that I haven't followed that closely. I've never owned shares in it, but it's been one of the best performers in the last 2 years on the ASX. And I think what started that was really they bought an operation, the Thunderbox operation, I think from Norlisk Nickel. Norlist divested that very close to the bottom of the gold market for almost nothing, 20 million I think or something like that for quite a good resource. Saracen's got that operation and almost producing there after doing a lot of work in the last year developing it. So I think it's due to come online in May or June, and that's really a transformational move because that'll take it from 160,000 ounces toward 300,000 ounces, which puts it in that mid-tier category with more than one mine. And I hadn't really I thought it was a bit overvalued in this sort of when it was bouncing around this 50-cent level. I thought it was a bit overvalued, but when you look at some of those numbers, this is a graph I've done for Doré Minerals, which I do own quite a few shares in, and Saracen is making a similar, I guess, move toward that average valuation of those of the quality Australian producers. So, Saracen's a little bit further along that path than Doré, but I expect it to keep heading up toward this level of the quality companies like Regis, Northern Star, Evolution, and St. Barbara. So, even on I can see it's overvalued on a single mine basis, and they're 160,000 ounces, but on 300,000 ounces, it looks undervalued. So this stock could easily go toward $1, I think, in the medium term, or just on valuation alone. Once they prove to the market they can produce from Thunderbox. They've got a lot of hedging as well. They're one of the best hedging positions on the ASX, I think, as well, with something like half of production hedged at $1,600 for the next year or two. So they want to really lock in those profits. But this was a fairly dramatic move this week. Pretty illiquid sort of trading, but it's really bounced up hard there to 80 cents and has come out of this rough trend range that I'd drawn in here, and it looks like it's going to come back. And there's a lot of selling pressure there, but I think that short-term technicals. I think this is probably a good buy at these high 60 levels. They're going to be making a killing next year with Thunderbox coming online and the higher production. So it's a stock that I haven't owned, but I'm considering getting in there. But there's still upside in this stock if you're thinking, it's had a good run and you might consider selling. But with the Australian dollar gold price doing really well, I think there's still quite a bit upside in Saracen.